Thank you, sir.
Vicky, stay offline. It's on now.
Happily, the pre-hearing session is commenced in the Atiku PDP petition. All the necessary preliminary issues have been dealt with, and we also brought up the issue of the motion on notice which we filed and which we served on all the parties in the case, and that is the motion for the live televising of the proceedings in this case, because we consider these proceedings very, very critical and important to the nation, one in which every Nigerian is a stakeholder. So this motion will come up perhaps on Thursday when this matter is adjourned to. It's being expected that other parties will file their responses so that the court will take a decision on it. So coming back on Thursday.
Thank you.